Hey friends, let me see if this works. So I'm about to get my little drink on right now. So it's Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. Every year, every single year, literally, every single year, got me a nice little cup. Every single year, guys, there's Valentine's Day. Every year. And every year, people are buying things online. Every year. And every year that people are buying, things online, people are making money. So, this is an eye-opener for you because if you bought something online or if you bought something in a store, somebody made money or a corporation made money. So, I want you to get your brain together and start thinking of how can I make $1,000 on Valentine's Day? How can I make $1,000 on Valentine's Day? How can I make $1,000 on Easter? How can I make $1,000 on Mother's Day, Father's Day, 4th of July, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, all of these holidays, right? I did a webinar and I said, big business is one of the ways that's killing our wealth. And big business literally is every month, right? So big business, guys, Thanksgiving, Halloween, Christmas. Now we're in Valentine's Day. People spend millions of dollars. They go to restaurants, they buy flowers, they buy candy, they buy balloons, they cook, they buy food, they buy little trinkets, they buy jewelry, they buy cars for Valentine's Day. So you need a website because we are in a click to order world, okay? You need a website, right? We're in a click to order world right now, okay? We're in a click to order world, okay? So that means you can be selling your Valentine's special, your Valentine's things, your Valentine's services, your Valentine products on the internet because guess what? 2022, Valentine is coming. 2023, Valentine is coming. 2024, Valentine is coming, right? See, I just help people get in position, right? And today I'm giving 75% off, for Valentine's Day, but overall for Black History Month, for people to get 75% off. So I have a Shopify class where I actually show you. I have a Shopify class where I actually show you how to set up a website, how to set up Shopify, how to set up Facebook, how to start, doing ads, and how to find vendors and manufacturer. I give you 25 vendors, right? So you got to make your decision. You have to say, do I want to make money every Valentine's Day or do I want to keep spending money every Valentine's Day? So for me, I do both. I make money and I spend money, right? So you can do the same thing. So I bought this actually for Valentine's Day. This says Queen on it. And I got me some champagne, sipping on some champagne. And guess what? I'm cooking dinner for my husband. So instead of us going out, going through the hassle, going through the hustle and the bustle, I just decided to cook a nice meal for, my husband and have, a nice bottle of champagne or wine for my husband. I mean, I've been married going on 12 years and I've been with my husband going on damn near 20. So I always got a Valentine. So Valentine's Day is not nothing really, special, to me, but I know that people buy. I know that people are in the mood for buying online. So I am in position. So I want to help you. I want to help more women. I want to help more men and women get themselves in position to be able to sell products or services online. Like I said, every year, guys, you got to learn a new skill. You got to level up every single year. It can't be, 2020, I didn't have a Valentine. And 2021, I don't have a Valentine. And then 2022, I don't have a Valentine. 2023, I don't have a Valentine, right? You got to get your game on track, man. You got to get your game on track. Remember, you are who you attract, right? You are who you attract. So every year, right, you shouldn't, be single. Every year, you should be like, you know what? I'm getting me a Valentine. I'm going to get me a boyfriend. I'm going to get me a spouse. I'm going to get me a man. Right? And I'm going to get me a business. Right? Every single year, guys, people are buying online. Every single year, you're here for Valentine's Day. You need to be making money. If you're single, you need to make money. I mean, if you're not single, of course, you're in the, Valentine mode and chocolate and candy and cookies and jewelry and all that stuff and food, right? That's what you're into right now if you're not single. But the single people, y'all need to be making money. That's it. Valentine's Day, making money, at least $1,000, right? On Valentine's Day. Then the next day after, another $100, another $50, another $1,000, another $1,000, another $10,000, another $20,000. But the time is now, friends. It's like, we got to get up and go, man. For real. The time is now. I'm sipping on some Bel Air Rosé. This is the only champagne. Well, I'm not going to say only, but this is great champagne. And I love Ciroc. Also, too, they got pineapple and they got coconut. I love it, right? So I went out and bought this for Valentine's Day. So I'm a consumer and I'm a business owner. I make money too. So I want to help more women, right, get in position to be able to do this. I want to help more people get in position, guys. I know that we're in a pandemic. It's a problem in the world right now. And I am a vessel to help solve some problems, okay? So we're in a click to order world right now. We're in a click to order. You don't have to go to the mall anymore. All you gotta do is go on your phone, literally put everything you want in your cart, boom, and check out. 2 seconds, you just went shopping without leaving your home, without looking for parking, without paying for parking, without looking around, without standing online. Right? So that's the world that we're in, guys. Guess what? People are losing jobs left and right. Right? The automation is coming in, man. Automation is here. It's coming in. Automation is coming in, sis. Like, don't get replaced by a robot. Right? When you have the opportunity right now for 75% off to be able to start you a real business, making real money that's going to change your life, right? And then, my Black Wealth class right now, $75. You can get in right now for $75, where I show you now what to do with your money. So instead of just, I'm just going to make money, I'm going to make $1,000 today, what to actually do with that $1,000 so you can actually grow that $1,000, okay? Today, my daughter, she bought Dogecoin when it was 0.04 cents, under a penny. And Dogecoin right now is 61 cents. So, I told her, for your Valentine's Day, sell your Dogecoin, sell some of your Dogecoin, sis. And guess what? She did. So now my daughter made some money, right? And I told her, you know what? With that money, now go buy you some Bitcoin, right? So I'm teaching my daughter early. She's only 19. By the time she's 29, she could be a millionaire if she keeps investing, right? She have a business so she can make money. She has a business so she can thrive. And she has a business so she can invest her money, right? So that's what I'm teaching. I'm teaching my kids, I'm teaching my students, I'm teaching my clients, I'm teaching my teammates. This is how it goes, guys. So make sure you go to workwithtanisha.com, click on the link below, get your 75% off now, okay? Now, let's go today, okay? If you're single, learn how to make $1,000 a day. Learn how to make $1,000 on Valentine's Day, guys. So happy Valentine's Day to you guys. See you guys in class.